Hey students, here I am again. We got another set and now we got some more tissues to look at, so let's get on with it. So this first one here looks like this. What's the major tissue type we have going here? What do you think? Connective. What would be the specific type of tissue we have going inside here? It would be areolar. You can see all these different kinds of fibers, reticular, elastic, collagen, and cells inside. It's the only thing that looks like that. Okay? So the major tissue type would be connective and the specific type would be areolar. Okay, now, next one. Ooh, what's the major tissue type of these things? That would be connective. What would be the specific type? It would be adipose. See, look at the little nuclei over on the edge. That's your key, and all this inside here is triglycerides. Nice job. Okay, next one. Ooh, look at that. All kinds of branches and stuff. What's the major tissue type here, you think? That would be connective. What would be the specific type? Reticular, like we'd find in the spleen. How would I know that? We have all these strange little fibers coming through here, but notice, do you see the cells attached to it? These are white blood cells, and they are going to be killing whatever passes through. It's basically kind of like a filter. As the fluid goes through, they're going to catch and eat whatever they find. Okay, so the major tissue type here would be connective and the specific would be reticular. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Ooh, look at that. Nice, beautiful layers coming through one after another after another. What would be the major tissue type here? That would be connective, of course. And specific type? That would be dense regular. Excellent. Okay, next one. Ooh, look at that. Looks like something you'd want to have on your wall of the bathroom. So pretty. Look at that nice thing there. So major tissue type? Connective. Specific tissue type? This would be called dense irregular. This is the kind of thing that you'd find on the knee capsule. Has fibers going in many different directions like that, so it's able to expand and contract like elastic for protecting the joint. So, dense irregular. Looks like that. So let's go on. Alright. Ooh, looky here. I put a little arrow in here so you could see this. These coilies inside here. Major tissue type? That would be connective. Specific tissue type with the coilies. This is elastic, and it's found on the walls of big vessels like the aorta. Okay? So that being the case, the lumen would be here, and what kind of tissue would you have along this edge here? Always on vessels. Major tissue type would be epithelial. Specific tissue type? Only one kind possible. That would be the simple squamous. Nice. Alright, so let's go on. And we did that. Let me move. Okay, now we're coming into a whole different looking tissue type. Alright, take a look closely. It's kind of a strange tissue. It's got these little things that look like eyes in it. Pomegranate seeds, whatever. What is a specific type you would find that would look like that? Well, the major tissue type here would be cartilage. And the specific type would be hyaline. Hyalin's found everywhere and it's really common. Okay, let's get some more. Here's another kind, and you can see. Look at these things. What do you think? kind of tough. Major tissue type? Connective? What would be the specific type? This would be fibrocartilage. And you can see the chondrocytes, look like little eyes or pomegranate seeds, and then a lot of this tissue going through here, making it very, very strong. All right, so that would be fibrocartilage. Okay, and let's look at another one. Ooh, this is a strange looking one. All these little strange elastic type fibers and things. What would be the major tissue type of this? Connective. And the specific type? Again, notice you see the things that look like little eyes, the little chondrocytes, and there's a whole lot of fiber through here. It's different though, little kind of like spiderweb fiber. This would be elastic cartilage, like we would find in places such as your ear or your epiglottis. Great. So let's go on to another one. Ooh, these are distinctive. What's the major tissue type for that? Again, it would be connective. And what would be the specific type? This would be osseous. You know, bone. We don't say bone, we say osseous. It's got these wonderful little rings around it with the mature osteocytes along in these little canals. Okay, so let's go on. And what do we got here? Ah, we've seen this one before. Major tissue type. Connective. Specific type. Blood. Good. Ooh, look at this thing. Wow, what kind of tissue could that be? So, major tissue type. This is a cell. This is a cell. This is a cell. That's a cell. This is muscle. What specific type of muscle are we looking at? This was skeletal. It's multinucleate. See the multiple nuclei? And in each cell. And also, see the strong striations. Skeletal muscle has very strong striations. And that's how you can tell it. So let's go on. Got just a few more to go. Ooh, look at this one. Cell, 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 cell. Some of the cells are branching. Okay. Major tissue type. That would be muscle. Okay. Now look closely at it. Do you see any striations in this thing? Up here and all? Or any other structures that makes it distinctive? Well, this is cardiac muscle, and it has intercalating disc here and there along the way. These small little separations you see. Is it starting to stand out now? And if you look really, really closely, very, very lightly, there is a striation pattern, but it's nothing like skeletal muscle, okay? Okay, now let's do another one. Ooh, what could that be? Shoot, major tissue type? This would be muscle. Specific type? Smooth. Look at the shape of the cells. They're very distinctive. It's nothing like the cells that we saw in skeletal or cardiac. It's got these strange little shape. And oftentimes if you look at the nucleus of these things, you can see the nucleolus stands out really nicely. All right, finally, major tissue type of this. Of course, that's nervous. You can see the astrocytes, you can see the actual neurons, like little aliens or something like that. Very distinctive. So the major tissue type here is nervous. And that's all you need to know for this one. Okay, study hard. Time is coming for that quiz on Thursday. Okay, talk to you again later. Bye.